Hi everyone. Most of us use the internet every single day to check emails, watch videos, or shop. But did you know that what you see is just the tip of the iceberg? In cybersecurity, we categorize the web into 3 layers. First, the surface web, the 5% we all use. Below that is the deep web, containing private data like your banking portal. But today, we're diving into the deepest layer, the dark web. It's a hidden part of the internet designed for total anonymity. You can't get there via Chrome or Safari. To access it, users typically use the Tor browser, which stands for the onion router. Think of it like this. When you send data on the dark web, it's wrapped in multiple layers of encryption, like an onion. Your request bounces through 3 different volunteer servers around the world. Each server only knows the hop before it and the hop after it. This makes it nearly impossible for anyone to trace who you are or where you are going. This anonymity makes the dark web a playground for cybercriminals. You've likely heard of darknet marketplaces. These are digital bazaars where people buy and sell illegal goods using untraceable cryptocurrencies like Monero. We see fools, which are complete sets of stolen identities, sold for just a few dollars. There is also cybercrime as a service. Criminals lease out ransomware or phishing kits to others, making it easier than ever for non-technical people to launch sophisticated attacks. However, it's important to remember that the dark web isn't only for criminals. It is a vital tool for privacy and freedom. Whistleblowers use platforms like SecureDrop to share sensitive documents with journalists without being caught. In countries with heavy government censorship, the dark web is often the only way for citizens to access unbiased news or social media. It provides a voice for those who would otherwise be silenced. From a cybersecurity perspective, the dark web is a goldmine for threat intelligence. Security professionals perform dark web monitoring to protect companies. They scan these hidden forums to see if employee credentials have been leaked or if hackers are discussing a planned attack against their industry. By watching the dark web, we can stop a breach before it even happens in the real world. The dark web is a complex, double-edged sword. While it facilitates crime, it also protects privacy. The best way to stay safe? Use strong passwords, enable multi-factor authentication, and never go exploring the dark web without expert knowledge. It's a dangerous neighborhood for the unprepared. Thanks for watching.